Hey, Carolyn, what are we doing? Are we drawing?
Draw a paper.
You're drawing on the paper? That's Mommy's shopping list. Hey, what's this, Carolyn? What's on the screen? What is that?
The doggy.
There's a doggy.
Look at that.
Look, it's a doggy.
Doggy's sad.
Yeah,
Oh, no.
Why is the doggy?
Ew.
Is the doggy sad?
It's sad.
Why is he sad?
That's her Mr. Doggy's mommy.
The doggy misses his mommy?
Yes.
Oh, well, how do we make the doggy happy again?
And we don't need to call her. Mom.
Should we blow the doggy kisses?
Nope, I said a tea. We don't need to go to the doggy's house and give her mommy back.
We're going to go to the doggy's house and give her her mommy back, and then she'll be happy again?
Yes.
Oh. Carolyn, you're not supposed to draw on yourself, honey.
No!
It's okay.
Here.
Can you say bye-bye to the puppy?
Bye-bye. Bye.
Carolyn, can you say bye-bye to the puppy?
Bye, Poppy. Bye, Poppy.
See you soon. That's right.
Bye.